Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a quick breast tube tutorial, and with this tutorial you can make a breast tube for a gown and a breast tube for a blouse. So don't go anywhere, watch till end. Now to cut, first of all mark out the three important lines. Measure and mark out the bust length. Mine is 9. Next, fold the tape in 2 or divide the bust length by 2 to get the bust width or nipple point. Then mark out the blouse length. Remove ½ inch to get 4 at the top. Now divide the bust width measurement by 2 to get 4.5. At the down of the bust, I'm taking 4. Then remove 1 inch. Mark like this. At the down of the blouse, I'm marking 4, which is my dart line. Then mark out your shape. Cut out your shape. Now after cutting, I'll place it on this folded fabric like this. Then do the same markings. Mark the bust length. Mark the nipple point, which is the division of the bust length. Mark out your proper measurements. Your bust size, your waist size, and hip size. You can mark an armhole at this edge of the blouse. So this is the shape you will get after cutting. This is the middle. This is the middle and the sides. This is the breast tube. Now place it to the bust length, then cut to the exact shape of the material. For the two sides of the breast cup, cut the breast tube like this. Make sure it is not wide to make it comfortable. Place like this, then cut to shape. This is how it looks. This is the placing of the breast tube on the material. This is the shape you will get. Then I sew the material on the breast tube. Place the lace on the bridle, then cut it to the shape of the bridle. Now I'm done cutting the lace. Next thing is to sew the lace on the bridle. So this is it now after sewing. This is the breast tube at the back. Now join the three parts together. After joining them, curve the two sides. Curve the two sides. Then curve a V-like shape at the middle to make it comfortable. And we are done. So that is all you have to do to make this breast tube. If you watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. I hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.